Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Skill. In today's video, we're going to break down a super important topic for anyone getting started with crypto: how to send and receive cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to the world of digital coins or just looking for a refresher, this video will make the process easy and straightforward. So, let's get started. Before we jump into how to send and receive crypto, let's quickly talk about what cryptocurrency is. It's a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum don't rely on banks or governments. They work on something called a blockchain. It's a decentralized technology that records all transactions securely. Now, let's start with how to receive cryptocurrency. Receiving crypto is easy, you just need a cryptocurrency wallet. There are different types of wallets like mobile wallets, desktop wallets, or even hardware wallets. But today, we'll focus on a simple mobile wallet. Step 1. Download a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, the first thing you need to do is download one. Popular mobile wallets include Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Go to your app store, download the app, and follow the instructions to set it up. Step 2. Find your wallet address. Once your wallet is set up, you'll see a Receive option. This will give you a unique crypto address, which is like your email address but for receiving cryptocurrency. It's usually a long string of numbers and letters or a QR code. You can share this address with anyone who wants to send you cryptocurrency. Step 3. Share your address now. Simply copy the address or share the QR code with the person sending you crypto. That's it. Once they send the crypto, you'll see it in your wallet in a few minutes, depending on the network speed. Okay, now that you know how to receive crypto, let's talk about how to send it to someone else. The process is just as easy. Step 1. Open your wallet first. Open your crypto wallet app again. Step 2. Select the Send option. Look for the Send option on the main screen of your wallet. This is where you'll enter the details of who you're sending crypto to. Step 3. Enter the recipient's address. Now, you need to enter the recipient's wallet address. You can either manually type it in or, just like receiving, scan their QR code. Double check this address because if it's wrong, your crypto could be lost. Step 4. Enter the amount. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Make sure you have enough funds in your wallet, and remember, some transactions have small fees, so leave a bit extra if necessary. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Once you've double-checked everything, hit Confirm or Send. You might need to approve the transaction using your password or fingerprint for security purposes. And boom, you've sent crypto. It's that simple. Depending on the network, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the transaction to show up on the other person's wallet. Now, before we wrap up, here are some important tips to keep your crypto safe. Number 1. Double-check wallet addresses. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Make sure the address you're sending to is correct. Number 2. Use trusted wallets. Stick with popular, well-reviewed wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Coinbase. Number 3. Keep your private keys safe. Your private key is like your password for your wallet. Never share it with anyone. Number 4. Be mindful of transaction fees. Some networks have higher fees, especially when the network is busy, so always check before sending. Number 5. Use QR codes. They reduce the chances of typing errors when entering addresses. Alright, that's it for today's video on how to send and receive cryptocurrency. I hope this breakdown made things clearer for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.